Hello, my name is Stacy Liguori, and welcome to an overview of the Special Education Indicators. The U.S. Department of Education Office of Special Education Programs, OSEP, develops 17 indicators to help each state measure and report on its efforts to educate students with disabilities. All states and territories submit various data and reports to the U.S. Department of Education. Each state reports on its performance on each of the indicators as well as its plan to make progress in the State Performance Plan and Annual Performance Report, SPP APR. The APR must be submitted annually. In today's module, we will be discussing an overview of Indicator 4, Suspension, Expulsion. Indicator 4 is divided to form two subgroups, 4A and 4B. Both are part of the SPP APR. The Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, has three distinct requirements around equity: disproportionate representation, indicators 9 and 10, and significant discrepancy, indicator 4A and 4B. What is indicator 4A? Indicator 4A is a results indicator that measures the rate of suspensions and expulsions. Result indicators have targets set by each state with input from their stakeholders. Indicator 4A measures the percentage of districts that have a significant discrepancy in the rate of suspension and expulsions greater than 10 days in a school year for children with IEPs. What is indicator 4B? Indicator 4B is a compliance indicator that measures the rate of suspensions and expulsions. Compliance indicators have targets of 0% or 100% set by the Office of Special Education Programs. Indicator 4B is the percentage of districts that have a significant discrepancy by race or ethnicity in the rate of suspensions and expulsions greater than 10 days in a school year for children with IEPs. And B, policies, procedures, or practices that contribute to the significant discrepancy and do not comply with the requirements relating to the development and implementation of IEPs, the use of positive behavioral interventions and supports, and procedural safeguards. Data collection. Indicator 4 uses data from years prior to the reporting year, known as lag year data. Districts enter student behavior information, including suspensions and expulsions, into IC following Infinite Campus's Safe Schools data standards. Districts are given a survey to verify that the Safe School data gathered from IC is correct. The Office of Continuous Improvement and Support, OCIS, provides the Safe Schools data to the Office of Special Education and Early Learning, OCEAL, which then reviews the file to ensure the districts have submitted all required data. Then, student-specific identification numbers are identified for those districts whose data indicate students with IEPs are being removed out of the school more than 10 days during a school year. For districts with significant discrepancy, the OCEAL will conduct a desk review of 10% of identified students to include no less than 10 students, nor more than 100 students for any one district. Frequently asked questions. Question: what is the difference between significant discrepancy and significant disproportionality? Answer: significant discrepancy is the comparison of district data from a single year to the statewide rate. Significant disproportionality is the comparison of data from different subgroups within the district. In summary, Indicator 4 is to examine data disaggregated by race and ethnicity to determine if significant discrepancies are occurring among the local education agencies. LEAs, in the rate of long-term suspension and expulsion of students with IEPs and to determine whether the LEA policies, procedures, or practices are contributing to the significant discrepancy. Listed are additional resources for your viewing. Thank you for reviewing this webinar. If you have any questions, please feel free to access the SPP Indicator Guide on the Special Education Data Dashboard webpage, or you may contact the Division of IDEA Monitoring and Results in the Office of Special Education and Early Learning.